This is a story about the ultimate Trojan horse in modern tech, a software war fought inside the most valuable real estate on your computer, the code editor. It began in 2015. Microsoft, fresh off the mobile revolution they lost, decided to dominate the editor market. They released VS Code. It was fast, extensible, and completely free. Developers loved it, and soon VS Code controlled over 70% of the global market. Microsoft believed they had won. But by making VS Code open source, they commoditized the developer workspace. They built a massive ecosystem, not realizing they were setting up the perfect host environment for their greatest rival, Cursor. When the AI revolution hit, companies rushed to build code autocomplete. Microsoft built GitHub Copilot, launching it as a VS Code extension. But extensions are sandbox constrained. They only have access to standard API hooks and limited UI panels. They can't rewrite the core editor. The founders of Cursor realized this. Instead of a plugin, they forked the entire VS Code codebase. By building AI directly into the IDE's core rendering tree, Cursor could do things Copilot could only dream of. Multi-line edits, inline diffs that look like Git files, codebase-wide search indexing, and autonomous terminal execution. They bypassed the sandbox and developers started migrating in droves. But why does anyone care about a code editor? Because of telemetry. The developer's cursor is the ultimate data capture point. When you code with an AI assistant, it doesn't just see the finished file. It sees every keystroke, every mistake, how you debug, and how you resolve compiler errors. This key-by-key telemetry is the holy grail dataset. It represents the actual human thought process of software engineering. Whoever owns the editor captures this telemetry, and whoever captures the telemetry wins the race to train the first fully autonomous AI coding agent. The code editor is no longer a tool, it is the training ground for the systems that will write software without humans. Training these models requires staggering amounts of compute. That's why Cursor partnered with Elon Musk's xAI. Under this deal, Cursor gets access to xAI's Memphis Colossus supercomputer, a cluster of 100,000 liquid-cooled H100 GPUs built in just 19 days. The synergy is obvious. xAI needs premium developer telemetry to build their AI agent, Grok Coder. Cursor needs massive GPU horsepower to train their next-generation models like Composer. Together, they are forming a powerhouse alliance designed to directly challenge the Microsoft and OpenAI monopoly. So where does this lead? The endgame of the editor wars is not a better autocomplete. It is the end of manual programming as we know it. In a few years, developers won't write code. They will describe features, audit agentic plans, and approve automated commits. The battle is for the interface of software creation itself. Whoever controls the editor controls the compiler, the telemetry, and the final stock of human knowledge. The editor wars have begun. Microsoft has GitHub. xAI has Cursor, and the developers. We are the training data. The stock is shifting, the rockets are fueled, and Elon owns the editor.